we're back. What's going on, everyone? My name is Pratesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you guys another video. So today I wanted to talk with you about Bitcoin. We're taking a look at the price chart. Right now the price is trying to break out above $10,500. So what are my thoughts? What direction can we expect to see if the continuation of the trend resumes? Also taking a look at precious metals. I've got an interesting article for you here regarding silver. So silver is breaking past $19, clearing through levels of resistance. So what does this mean for the overall market in terms of gold and silver, as well as this tweet regarding fiat currencies. So all fiat currencies, being that they are not backed by anything of intrinsic value, essentially they're intrinsically worthless. What does that mean as far as cryptocurrency, real money, tangible wealth, all of that here in this video. These are some of my thoughts. So if you appreciate this video and if you do find some value, please be sure to drop a like, let me know that you enjoyed it. And if you are new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I talk about topics like this, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, all of that, news, updates, information here on this channel. So if you're new and if you like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely does help me out. So to get things started, what we're taking a look at here, guys, I've got CoinMarketCap pulled up. Bitcoin is the star of the show today. So we are currently at $10,646, and the price is deciding whether or not it wants to continue upwards or if we're going to get rejected at this important upwards facing resistance. So to touch on that a little bit, I wanted to bring out the Bitcoin price chart. So if we take a look, there are some indicators that lead me to believe we might be looking at some continued upwards momentum. Now these indicators are typically lagging indicators. Typically you see the MACD follow the price, right? It doesn't typically lead, but what we can see here is that there is a MACD cross here on the daily time frame, and we have this break above upwards facing resistance on the RSI. Now I do not consider this a bullish move yet. I am very bullish right now, but I do not consider it a confirmation of the continued move because we have not seen confirmation on good volume yet. Today I would expect to close at this price level and a continuation to break above this trend line on some decent volume. This chart looks amazing, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Very basic in terms of what we're looking at as far as technical indicators. I've got a trend line here, downward sloping trend line, and we're right at it. We are right at it. We are going to decide whether or not we're going to break through this or get rejected. Now, could we do one of these thingies right here where we come up, touch it, try and break it, can't break it, get rejected? Possibly. We could totally do that. But based on what I'm seeing here with the MACD, we see this cross on the MACD coming from very, very oversold. And this RSI break above this trend line as well. I'm leaning towards, if we can get a nice solid break on some strong volume, I'm leaning towards a continuation of the upward trend. I'm very hopeful for that. This is not financial advice. Please take this with a grain of salt. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. But I'm very, very excited where we are right now with the Bitcoin price. So that's what I have for you. Keeping an eye on it. I will keep you guys updated. Let's move on. So silver firing back. Now, precious metals. So gold and silver have done very, very well for 2019, and we can see that things are really starting to heat up, especially with silver. So getting into the market here in April, I think we saw some low prices of around 15, maybe even 14, and currently silver is at $19. The resistance levels that it's broken through are amazing, and especially at the rate that it's going, it's just incredible. So what we're talking about here in this article, I'm not going to read this to you, but I would really recommend it if you guys do want to check it out. I'm going to go ahead and link to it down in the description below. But just in a nutshell, what it talks about here in this article is that silver is very undervalued for what it is. In terms of things that we use for energy, things like oil, natural gas, nuclear, all that stuff. Energy is a key driver to global economies on a mass scale. And one thing that is utilized as a commodity in industry is silver. And you couple that with the fact that silver is also a precious metal and that is historically acted as sound money, as a physical store of value, that certainly drives the case for physical silver. And what we can see right now is the price kind of matching the fundamentals, where we can see some type of reality coming back into the markets in terms of trying to find a fair value for silver. And it's very exciting to see, honestly. It's crazy because this market has just moved so quickly considering where we were and what we just did. I mean, like, the market just completely took everybody by storm. I don't think anybody was expecting it to move up this quickly. So, just getting that out there. And final thing I have for you guys with this video, so talking about currencies in general, fiat currencies we know are controlled, they're centralized, they are not censorship resistant, they are intrinsically worthless, pieces of paper, promissory notes. All of these currencies printed by governments will fail. That is a mathematical certainty. They are by design going to fail. What is the solution to that? Well, that's up to your interpretation. I enjoy making these types of videos and talking with you guys. You all know this is a cryptocurrency YouTube channel. So take from it what you will. Okay, whether you decide to work for your money, whether you have a business, whether you want to, invest in cryptocurrency to buy businesses or real estate, do any of that stuff. Think about what the idea of money really is. When you go to buy groceries at the grocery store, those dollars that you're giving them, what's the real value? So that's what I have for you guys here in this video. I really do appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please be sure to drop a like again. And if you are new and if you found value, be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, well, until next time, everyone, take care.